Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And if at any point in time in this video you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit on that like button, as well as don't forget to hit on that subscribe and hit on that bell for notifications so you get notified of any future videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you'd be able to completely disable your BIXBY button, or how you'd be able to reconfigure the activation of BIXBY. Now there's two different groups out there, those who love the BIXBY button and then those who hate the BIXBY button. And the great thing about this video is that this is going to be able to help both groups either align how it's able to open or how you're able to completely get rid of that button in any type of a activation. Now first off, if you hit on this BIXBY button just by giving it a small little press, it'll take you over into the BIXBY home. Now some people don't like that little feature or that option. All you'd have to do is just hit on that little settings icon on the very top right hand side inside of BIXBY home and just turn off the BIXBY key. Now once you've turned off the BIXBY key, that means that the next time you go inside of there and you're trying to hit on BIXBY button, it will not open. So you won't have any accidental presses of going into an application. But you are still able to open it up just by doing a small little swipe on your home screen, and it takes you back over there. Now let's just state that you don't want to have BIXBY home open at any given point in time. All you'd have to do is just do a little pinch to zoom on the screen, or press and hold anywhere on the screen that is empty. Usually what I do is a small little pinch to zoom, move it on over, and this is where you can turn off BIXBY home. So now what's going to happen is if I hit on BIXBY home, it's not going to open. If I was to swipe over, now BIXBY home is still not going to pop up, but I still have it activated to where when I press and hold, and now it's going to be picking up my voice and pretty much doing anything I tell it to. So this is a great way if you wanted to disable the button, also disable your little BIXBY home, but you still want to press and hold the button to make this thing activate. Now I'm going to show you one other thing you'd be able to do. So let's head over into BIXBY home. We're going to click on the very top right hand side on those little three dots. This is where you can go over into settings. Now inside of settings, this is where you can turn off BIXBY voice. So now what's going to happen is, let's say that I go right on back, I turn this thing right on off. So now if I move on over, BIXBY home is not going to pop up. If I press the button, BIXBY is not going to pop up. And also if I press and hold, it's still not going to pop up. So this is an amazing way to completely disable this. But if you looked at any of the other ways that I've pretty much set all of this up, you'd be able to set it up that way to activate it. So usually what mine would do is I would probably have my BIXBY home turned off, and then I would also have the little button press turned off, but I do have my voice on it, so where if I press and hold, it's able to still activate if I wanted to call somebody. Now this is just a much easier way other than going over into your settings, going down over into apps, and then you have to scroll down and you got to try to figure out, okay, what's going on with BIXBY service and BIXBY vision and BIXBY voice and all this stuff. You know, which ones am I supposed to turn off? Is it going to mess up my phone? This is just a fast way if you do these little steps right here, which is number one, disabling the home button or little BIXBY home inside of the home screen. Also disabling this BIXBY button, and if you disable the settings button right over here for voice, once you turn this one off, you also turn this one off. And then also as well, when you turn this off, now this thing is just completely turned off, but it's a different way that either you can have it completely off, which is the way it is, or the way that I just mentioned from before, how you can reconfigure it for you. Again, mine is where I just press and hold and I'm able to use it. Now, if you wanted to, you can always remap this BIXBY button. If you wanted to open up something else, you can either give it a little press or a double tap or a long press and it's able to open something up. But that one right there is going to be for a future video. This is just a fast way of either how you can reactivate it in a different way or completely turn it off. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. Make sure you guys give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe right over here, this very bottom left-hand side. Share this video with your friends and family and social medias and just get it way out there so everybody can know anything and everything about this BIXBY button. And again, it doesn't only work with the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. This will be the exact same steps you can do with the S8, S8 Plus, as well as the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Outside of that, I'll see you guys later.